Today we're going to learn how to single crochet into our front loop. So if we have a look at the top of our stitches, you can see that we've got the V's, so the 2 loops, and we're actually just going to work into that front loop. So let's get started. So skipping our first stitch, we're going to insert our hook into the front loop only of our second stitch. So just like this, and then yarn over, twist your hook and pull it through that loop, yarn over, twist your hook and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And that is a single crochet into the front loop. So let's do it again. Insert your hook into the front loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And it's as simple as that. So we use this technique when we start to create the brim of our bucket hat, as it's going to create that defined angle.